Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the uninstall safe and reversible. Close GOG Galaxy and confirm the tray icon and background processes are stopped so files aren't locked. Once done, backup saved games from %user profile %backslash/saved games or your configured folders to avoid lost progress. Also sign into accounts to verify cloud sync status and disconnect it if you want a local-only copy. This step prevents data loss and reduces errors during removal, so take a minute now to prepare before proceeding. You now run the built-in uninstaller through Settings, Apps, GOG Galaxy Uninstall. This handles core program files and registry entries. When prompts appear, decide if you want to remove user data. Pick Delete for a clean uninstall or Keep to preserve saves and settings. After the uninstaller finishes, manually inspect and delete leftover folders such as /program, files /GOG Galaxy, and %local app data %\gog to remove residual caches. Make sure to empty the recycle bin so disk space is reclaimed, and residual. You finish by rebooting to clear any locked handles, and then confirm no GOG processes remain in Task Manager or Services. If you want a deeper cleanup, carefully remove related registry keys under HKCU /software /GOG or run a trusted system cleaner. Take a backup first. Once everything is removed, verify game folders and shortcuts are gone. If the uninstaller fails or errors occur, reinstall the same GOG Galaxy version and immediately run its uninstaller again. This often repairs missing files and lets the removal complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.